lots of thanks to Gardenreet who sent us this landscape lighting. Can't wait to install it and see what it looks like. We're going to do the unboxing now. Brass uplight. Let's look at the accent lights. Oh, not bad at all. Come with 2 LED bulbs. Oh, and the spike. Cool. Alexa, turn on the house lights.
Okay.
Ooh. Alexa, turn off the house lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the house lights. I really like them. I think they look pretty nice. The thing I really like about them is that they provide a lot of security, because our house was quite dark before, and now the whole front is really lit up with just a few lights. That's really good. We also have them hooked up to Alexa, which is really convenient. We have these exterior Wi-Fi plugs, and we just hook them up with that, and Alexa, we can control the lights and turn them on and off. The lights are really good. They look great. They're heavy duty, and I really like the articulating arm on them. That's really makes it easy to aim them at wherever we want. So yeah, they look good. I like the lights.